I've just received this hairpiece from Lordhair.com. I'm surprised they can get it shipped via DHL included in the price. It's quite amazing actually. This is an SL1 unit. SL1 is a super fine Swiss lace base. It's soft, breathable and undetectable. It's considered as the most undetectable lace material on the market. Superfine Swiss lace can hold medium light density at the most for short hair. If long hair, Lordhair recommends light density or even less. So if your hair density is heavier than medium light, you can consider a full French lace hair system rather than this SL1. Since superfine Swiss lace is very delicate, careful use and maintenance are required. The lifespan is also shorter than a full French lace hair system. This product has to be custom made according to your own requirements for hair color, hair density, wave and curl, hair type, etc. And now I'm going to give you instructions on how to order this from Lordhair.com. Obviously first go to Lordhair.com and then go down to lace hair pieces, scroll down to the SL1 unit, order how many you want, remembering that you can receive discounts for bulk orders. Here I'm ordering 4, and first we go to base size, and I'll choose my own file, 8x10, and then choose the base material color, same as my last order. Front contour, there are a bunch of options here, but I'm choosing the nearly straight C type. And just continue going in through all these options, and where it says not selected yet, go in and select those things. So hair type, I've chosen Remy hair. Hair length, usually about 4 inches. Just choose your curl and wave, your hair density, the hair direction. I choose freestyle so I can just push it wherever I want, and just keep going through the list. The hair color, I'll use the sample they've got from me already on their files. Make sure you get the bleached knots all over. It's very important. The production time, for a bit extra, you can get it done quicker. And then you just simply check out and place your order. And often you'll find there are discounts on the site, seasonal and bulk orders.
Lordhair, for a better you.